are some levels in the market that you cannot really avoid at any given point, simply because there is a lot it shows. And basically, guys, there is something that we heard of most of the times called the order blocks. Despite of us having an order block, guys, we have something else called a breaker block. A breaker block is whereby we have a bearish order block right here. Many people think they're going to execute their sell order, but guys, you'll find the market really breaking above it. So breaking above this is what we call a breaker block. Okay, and so guys, as well, you're supposed to know an order block is a very, very crucial level, and I hope and pray many traders can really understand what an order block is. And we do have really a problem identifying this, simply because we're being told this is actually a specific price areas where large market participants such as institutional traders have previously placed significant buy and sell orders. You're supposed to understand the name previous. So it is not like currently happening, but it was a previous level. And as you know, guys, a previous levels becomes our point of interest, simply because it is a zone where it has a history of institutional traders laying their orders. Okay, and so guys, I know most of you can ask yourself, how can we really be able to know these levels, and how are they important when it comes to executing our trades? Basically, guys, what you do, you highlight the level, or rather you know the level. I'm going to show you an indicator that you're going to rely on for you to execute your trades, and definitely most of the indicators will show you the bearish and the bullish order block zones in different colors. And so guys, you're supposed to know these levels you cannot buy directly, and as well you cannot sell directly, simply because you can find something we call a breaker block. What you wait for is waiting to see where price is basically breaking up to. So guys, with that understanding, I want to introduce to you this indicator you can use to know an order block. So you're just going to click on indicators tab, then you're going to type order block and breaker blocks by Luxalgo. You click on it. Once you click on it, guys, it will definitely appear like this right on your chart. So guys, as you can see it right now in orange color, we have a bearish order block zones. Remember, these are not just zones. This is whereby institutional or large participants in the market previously placed significant buy and sell orders. So it is a level that you're supposed to watch the market from. So this whole level is showing us that level, and you can see for sure price really reacted to it right here, the first point, the second point, and basically basing on live market, you can see as well price is definitely reacting to this level. And so guys, if you are a scalper, you can use this as a strategy, simply because I want to show you something that is very crucial to understand. And price really sold right here, guys. You can see it reacted to this level right here. So many traders will have exited their trades over here, simply because this is actually the next minor support level, and that's why you can see price reacted to it, and now it is to the upside. But you can see as one live market price is reacting to this level. Do you understand? So this becomes levels that you're supposed to watch the market from. The secret is understanding how you're gonna confirm your market. Number two, where and when to execute your trades, and number three, where you're going to exit your trades. That is basically all you really want to know. And therefore, guys, the secret is, let me use this part right here. Let's say you saw all these rejections right here. Once you saw the rejections, this simply told you that there is a probability this market can really drop, because there is rejection of higher prices, simply because there is nothing like what a breaker block at any given point. If the breaker block was trying to happen, it did not at any given point close above this level right here and this level right here. It shows you an assurance that the market can really sell. So you can use structure breaks. When you see a structure break right here, candlestick closing below, you can look where the price will break this level right here. If it breaks below, you can exit right there. As easy as that, guys, and you're going to basically be able to make money using this kind of an indicator when you want to execute your trades. Let me hope you are understanding what I'm basically talking about. And so guys, let's go back to our bullish order block zone so that you can understand the strategy. You can see they are a lot right here. So for you to execute your buy order, price at any given point has to break above this level right here. If price happens really to break below this one right here, that becomes a breaker block, you understand? But in this case, price broke above, there is a structure break right here and this candlestick pattern closing above, and you can see it is actually a very beautiful push to the upside. That is what you're supposed to pay attention to anytime that you want to execute a trade, simply because we as well got to this level right here, so you can exit right there. Okay, and as well guys, if you want to execute your trades, you can basically watch where all this is basically happening, structure break, and therefore you can be able to execute your trades peacefully. And therefore guys, because we are on live market right here, you can see how the market is really struggling to break above this level right here, simply because this is a very, very crucial level where, don't forget, institutional traders previously placed their significant buy and selling orders. So this becomes a level that every trader should watch the market from. Okay, order blocks plays a very vital role in forex trading, and therefore you cannot use order block by itself. Remember, there is what we call a breaker block. I don't know whether we can find an example showing us a breaker block, because I really want you guys to understand. But before that guys, there is instances where also these order blocks can show you the trend of the market. Okay, if price happens to respect the bullish order blocks, and breaking above the bearish order blocks, that shows you an uptrend. Keep that in mind. As well, the same happens when you see price really respecting the bearish order blocks and breaking below the bullish order blocks, that shows you a downtrend. So an order block plays a very vital role as far as forex trading is basically concerned. So guys, let's see whether we can have an example showing us a breaker block. Like for instance, in this case right here on our live market, you can see right here there was a formation of bearish order block. Right here it is very, very evident, and you can see price is already, or rather trying to break above it. So this highlight you see in green color is what we call a breaker block. It's now showing you that this bearish order block right here is being disrespected, or rather broken above, and that's why we have this kind of highlights. Okay, so keep this in mind anytime that you want to execute your trades. Keep this in mind anytime guys you want to really make money in forex trading. Is very, very important as far as forex trading is basically concerned. Okay, so guys, let me hope you've learned something from this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Don't forget to like this video as well. And so guys, bye bye. I will definitely see you in my next video.
Listen traders, before you make any big mistake, like paying for that expensive course, try reading this book first. This is basically what you are going to be taught by your mentor. In fact, not even everything. If you are a beginner and you have learnt only basics, don't dare funding your Forex account because you will not like the results. This book will introduce you to another side of Forex trading because you cannot like forever buy at support and sell at resistance. This book comprises of everything you need to know about smart money concepts and price action, and everything is explained simply. Grab your copy at $10 only and it will save you from a lot rather than paying for now. If you want to kick off your Forex journey, WhatsApp this number to order your copy. First come, first serve.